Blood sugar rising after a meal is not automatically a bad thing. In fact, it's a normal part of how the body turns food into energy. But many people wonder, why does blood sugar spike after eating? And how can you tell what's normal and what might be happening too often? In this video, we'll explain the process in a simple, educational way. This content is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. A blood sugar spike simply means blood glucose rises after eating. This happens because many foods, especially carbohydrate-rich foods, break down into glucose during digestion. That glucose enters the bloodstream, and blood sugar levels rise temporarily. So the spike itself is not strange. It's the body doing what it was designed to do, absorbing energy from food. After a meal, your body moves through a series of steps. First, food is broken down in the digestive system. Then, glucose enters the bloodstream. Next, the pancreas releases insulin. Insulin helps move glucose out of the blood and into cells, where it can be used for energy. So blood sugar rises after eating, mainly because glucose enters the bloodstream before the body finishes moving it into cells. This is a normal timing process. Not every meal produces the same spike. Several factors can affect how high or how fast blood sugar rises after eating. One factor is the type of food. Refined carbohydrates like sugary drinks, pastries, and white bread can break down quickly, causing a sharper rise. Foods with more fiber, protein, or healthy fats may digest more slowly, leading to a steadier rise. Another factor is portion size. Larger portions mean more glucose entering the bloodstream. Physical activity also matters. Muscles use glucose for energy, so movement can influence how the body handles blood sugar after eating. Sleep and stress can play a role too. They may affect hormones that influence glucose and insulin activity. So spikes can vary depending on what you eat and what's happening in the body that day. In general, a rise in blood sugar after eating is expected. The key idea is that the body should be able to bring blood sugar back toward a stable range over time. Some people may experience frequent or larger spikes depending on individual metabolism, lifestyle, or other health factors. But the most important takeaway is this: blood sugar spikes are part of normal physiology, especially after meals. Understanding this process helps you make sense of how the body works without fear or confusion. Blood sugar spikes after eating are normal, and they happen because the body is converting food into energy. Learning the basics of this process is a great step toward better health awareness and more informed conversations with healthcare professionals. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. If you have concerns about your health, consult a qualified healthcare professional. Subscribe to Health Insight Lab for simple explanations of health topics, one topic at a time.